What's up guys, TechRax here. So today we're gonna see what happens if I put an iPhone 10 in this cool boiling mud pot. I want to show you guys, this is literally mud that's boiling at a super hot temperature. It's this gooey, milky texture. Really just want to dip my fingers in there, but that's definitely not a smart thing to do. What we are gonna do though is we're gonna see if the iPhone 10 can survive that pit. So hopefully it doesn't slip and fall into there, but you guys can see this place is actually surrounded by these little areas. Here's another one. This is the thing I'm gonna have to set up the phone. I've got like some heat tape here. Hopefully it can protect this plastic so that it doesn't melt, and I'm really hoping again that this phone doesn't fall off because it's just a little ledge here. But let's go ahead and give this iPhone 10 a nice dip. Let's record this, why not? Let's see what happens. Let's first just do a little small mini dip. Oh man. Look at that, it's just covered in mud. There's the temperature warning. There you go. So let's go ahead and actually, I'm gonna try and cool it off for a little bit. Let's go ahead and give it a longer dip. I'm gonna wait about 30 seconds this time until I pull it out, maybe a little more. Let it bubble in there for a little bit. My hand is so close to that. Whew. I'll give it a full, I don't know, maybe 60 seconds. Hopefully the heat tape doesn't rip or anything like that. The plastic doesn't melt. Okay, that's well over a minute. Let's go ahead and pull the iPhone out. Oh my goodness, this thing is dirty. Look at that. Whew. Let's see if it survived. It's just covered in mud. And that wraps it up, guys. So you can see how flimsy this thing is now. The iPhone is just moving all over the place. So any more time it spent in that mud, boiling mud, this phone could easily just fall off. This little contraption here, or selfie stick, there's another temperature warning, but it looks like it survived. That's pretty cool. The back, I mean, there's mud everywhere, but overall it did pretty good. So it'll be interesting to clean this out and actually see if it could still work fully. But that is it, guys. That wraps it up. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.